If you're a salaried employee and you need extra money for emergencies, travel, medical expenses, or debt consolidation, a personal loan can be a quick solution. The key is choosing a lender that offers low interest rates, fast approval, and flexible repayment options. One of the best options for salaried employees in 2026 is HDFC Bank Personal Loan. Let's see why this loan is considered one of the best. First, the interest rate. HDFC Bank personal loans typically start at around 10.5% per year, depending on your credit score and salary. This makes it one of the more competitive rates compared to many other lenders. Second, the loan amount. With this loan, salaried employees can usually borrow up to about 40 lakh, which is enough for large expenses like home renovation, weddings, education, or consolidating other debts. Another advantage is quick approval and fast disbursement. If your documents and salary details are verified, the loan can often be approved quickly, and the money may be transferred to your bank account in a short time. Now let's talk about repayment options. HDFC personal loans typically offer repayment periods ranging from 12 months up to 60 months, allowing borrowers to choose a monthly payment that fits their budget. To apply for this loan, you usually need a few basic documents: government ID, bank statements, salary slips, proof of employment. Most salaried employees between 21 and 60 years old with a stable income can qualify for this type of loan. So in summary, the HDFC Bank Personal Loan is considered one of the best for salaried employees because it offers interest rates starting around 10.5%, loan amounts up to 40 lakh, flexible repayment terms, fast online approval process. That's why many salaried professionals choose this option when they need quick financial support. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips about loans, apps, and financial tools.